back to Get Real Life TV. Today, we are diving into a beautiful and meaningful topic: how to create a spiritual shrine. Whether you are new to spirituality or looking to enhance your existing practice, a well-crafted shrine can serve as a powerful focal point for your spiritual journey. Let's start by discussing what a spiritual shrine is and why it is important. What is a spiritual shrine? A spiritual shrine is a designated space where you can connect with the divine, honor your ancestors, and focus on your intentions. It serves as a personal sanctuary for reflection, meditation, and prayer. Think of it as a sacred space that helps you channel your energy and connect with your spiritual path. Creating a shrine is not just about the appreciation of beauty, it is about cultivating a meaningful environment that resonates with your spiritual beliefs and practices. Now, let's explore why having a spiritual shrine is significant in your practice. 1. Connection to the divine. A shrine provides a space for you to connect with your Orisha, ancestors, and higher self. It is a place where you can focus your energy and attention in a way that feels sacred and powerful. 2. Personal reflection. Having a dedicated space encourages regular reflection and mindfulness. It invites you to take time out of your busy schedule to connect with what truly matters. 3. Ritual and offering. Your shrine can also be a place for rituals and offerings. It is an opportunity to express gratitude and devotion. Now, let's talk about how to create your spiritual shrine. Here are some simple steps to get you started. Step 1. Choose a location. Find a quiet, peaceful space in your home where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a table, or even a shelf. The key is to choose a spot that feels right for you, somewhere that you can dedicate to your spiritual practice. Step 2. Select your base. Next, choose a base for your shrine. This could be a cloth, a tray, or a small table. Make sure it's something that feels special and resonates with your intentions. Step 3. Gather items for your shrine. Now comes the fun part. Gather items that represent your spiritual beliefs and connections. Here are some suggestions. Images or statues of your Orishas. These serve as focal points and reminders of the energies you wish to connect with. Choose colors that resonate with the energies of your Orisha. Step 4. Arrange your shrine. Once you have your items, arrange them in a way that feels harmonious. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Trust your intention, most especially for those who do not have a mentor around them. For instance, you might want to place your Orisha at the center of your shrine. Step 5. Regularly maintain your shrine. Lastly, regularly maintain your shrine. This could involve cleaning it, refreshing the offerings, or changing the arrangement as you grow and evolve in your spiritual journey. Your shrine is a dynamic space that can reflect your current state and intentions. Remember, your spiritual shrine is a personal expression of your beliefs and practices. Feel free to personalize it in any way that resonates with you. The goal is to create a space that feels sacred and supportive of your spiritual journey. Once your shrine is set up, how do you use it? Here are a few practices to consider. Daily prayer. Spend a few moments each day in front of your shrine. Offering prayers or meditation. This can help ground you and strengthen your connection. Rituals. Use your shrines for specific rituals or ceremonies, whether for honoring your Orisha, celebrating seasonal changes, or making significant life events. Reflection. Take time to reflect on your intentions and the energy of your shrine. Journaling about your experiences can deepen your understanding and connection. Thank you for joining me today as we explore how to create a spiritual shrine. I hope this inspires you to cultivate your sacred space and deepen your spiritual practice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insight into Yoruba spirituality. Until next time, keep seeking, keep growing, and embrace the power of your spiritual journey. Thank you and bye for now.
Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the Super Thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Get a better life.